It's just a little lie, right? I'm fine. I loved the gift. I didn't see the message. We tell ourselves these tiny untruths are harmless, that they actually protect the people we care about. But here's the uncomfortable truth. Little lies are the termites of relationships. You don't see the damage right away, but one day, the whole foundation crumbles. Today, I'm going to show you why little lies matter more than you think, and how to stop them from quietly killing trust. We learn early that small lies can smooth over awkward moments. Social culture often praises white lies as kindness. In the short term, they do make life easier. No confrontation, no hurt feelings. The brain actually rewards us with dopamine when we avoid conflict, so lying feels good in the moment. But this trains a habit, protecting ourselves from discomfort rather than protecting the relationship from erosion. Every little lie is a choice between short-term comfort and long-term trust. Trust isn't destroyed in one blow. It's chipped away. Partners start noticing inconsistencies, slight hesitations, small contradictions. Even if they can't prove it, something feels off. Little lies create emotional distance. The other person stops asking deeper questions because they're unsure if they'll get a real answer. Lies breed lies. Once you tell one, you often need another to cover it up. Eventually, people stop trusting not just your words, but your intentions. A couple where one partner says, "I didn't buy coffee today," to hide small spending, seems harmless. But months later, when a bigger financial issue comes up, the other partner questions every statement. Suddenly, it's not about coffee, it's about credibility. People often justify little lies to spare feelings, but the reality, withholding truth denies the other person the respect to process reality. Protecting someone with a lie assumes they can't handle the truth, which can feel patronizing once revealed. Relationships grow stronger when truth is spoken with care, not avoided altogether. The truth might hurt for a moment. A lie hurts every time it's remembered. Fear of conflict leads to lying to avoid arguments. Fear of rejection leads to lying to seem more compatible. Shame or guilt leads to lying to hide mistakes. Social conditioning makes us think white lies are normal. Problem. Every reason protects the liar's comfort, not the relationship's health. Loss of safety. Partner feels they can't rely on your words. Hypervigilance. They start double-checking everything, creating tension. Communication breakdown. Meaningful conversations decrease. Resentment. Unspoken, but growing. Because dishonesty changes how people feel in the relationship. Trust is binary. It's either intact or fractured. There's no just a little broken. Notice phrases like, "It's not a big deal," or "they don't need to know" in your thoughts. Pay attention to avoidance behaviors, delaying conversations, changing topics, hiding receipts or messages. If you rehearse a story in your head before telling it, ask yourself why. People fear honesty will lead to rejection or anger. But most healthy relationships respond to truth with negotiation, not destruction. Consistent honesty builds emotional intimacy, the kind that can handle life's storms. You feel lighter when you stop carrying the mental load of lies. Pause before speaking. Ask, am I saying this to protect them or to protect myself from discomfort? Use gentle truth-telling. Be direct but frame with care. Example, instead of, "Your cooking is fine," lie, say, "I appreciate you cooking. I might like a little less salt next time." Be proactive about honesty. Share small truths regularly so it becomes normal. Accept short-term awkwardness. Discomfort fades. Distrust lingers. Build a truth-safe zone in your relationship. An agreement that honesty will be met with listening, not instant judgment. Admit them early before they pile up. Explain why you lied. But take responsibility, not excuses. Commit to a truth-first policy going forward. Invite your partner to tell you if they notice inconsistencies, without punishment, so both can grow. Rebuilding trust takes longer than losing it, but it's worth every awkward conversation. So here's my challenge. For the next 7 days, commit to 0 little lies. Not about being fine when you're not. Not about why you're late. Not about the tiny things you think won't matter. Because the truth is, every little truth you tell is a brick in the foundation of a stronger relationship. And every lie you drop, no matter how small, is a crack in that foundation. Which one are you building today? Drop a heart if you're choosing truth.